So good. Little parrot. Doing very well. What's your name? What's your name? Huh? What's your name? You're pretty, aren't you? Aren't you pretty? Yes. Lovely colour, aren't you? I could hear you calling before when I was inside. I could hear you squeaking. I thought, what's that? Sounded like a little... I thought it was Maddie making little silly noises. But it was you. Yeah, you can come back and see me if you like. Big claws. Be careful with them in my fingers. Which ones do you like? You saw them out there. Maybe you're a Chris. Oh, that's a bit high pitched. Yeah, that's good. It's a bit high pitched though. God. Maybe you're a Christmas parrot. Oh yeah. Come down here. Oh, you're calling your mates, I think. I can hear another one. I think you're saying, get over here. Some funny looking fella's feeding us. That's very good. In my hand. You're very tame. It's probably because you're not tame at all, you don't even know what I am. Eh? You've never had contact with humans that have been mean to you. That's probably what it is. Well, listen, I could stay here all day, guy, but I've got to go. I've got to get ready for work. Yeah, I've got to get ready for work. Okay. Okay. You come back again. Okay. Yep, you come back again. I'll put some down here for you. Okay. All right. Catch you again. I'll put some more seed on the table for you. Okay? All right.